OHAAP is going green today. As part of our CSR efforts, we are conducting a tree planting activity here at Mount Purro Nature Reserve.
Welcome to Mount Purro dito sa Antipolo. Nandito ngayon ang mga taga-OHAAP para kami ay magtanim ng mga seedlings. Ito ang aming paraan para to give back to the community. This is a very noble activity to support our Mother Nature. Thank you to our Vice President, June Neri, for initiating this project, and I hope this will continue for another years and more years to come.
Wading through the river, then it started to rain. So the whole time, it was just raining. So that was a unique experience while walking on the river.
Na-enjoy namin yung tree planting activity kanina umaga. Inakyat namin yung 25 floors siguro yun na paakyat na trail.
And everybody was saying it was really such a unique and fun experience on top of the tree planting activity. That was a lot of fun.
This simple initiative is our way of giving back, supporting sustainability and creating a greener environment for the next generation. I hope all of us will enjoy this activity today. Thank you.